I'm going to show you a math trick that's so amazing you can challenge me with any number you like and I'll guess your result. Are you ready? Think of any number, large or small. Write it down if you want so you don't forget. Now multiply your number by 9. Take your time. I know this can be tricky with bigger numbers. You can pause the video if you need more time or need to use a calculator. Now add all the digits of your result together. If you get a 2-digit number or larger, keep adding the digits until you're left with just one digit. Take your time. For instance, if your result was 47, you'd add 4 plus 7 to get 11, and then 1 plus 1 to get 2. Got it? Pause the video if you need more time. Only watch this part if you're down to a 1-digit number. Let me guess. The final digit you ended up with is 9. Amazing, right? It's actually pretty simple, and you can perform this with your friends and family. Watch it again to see if you can figure out the trick, and leave your guess in the comments. Math is full of magical patterns like this. If you enjoyed this, I have plenty more tricks to share. Let's keep exploring the wonders of numbers together. To learn another one, called the 11's trick, watch this next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.